Oh, hey y'all, it's Andy. Um, let's get started on finishing up this here tool shed. I reckon part four. So, anyways, let's get to it, and I will see y'all here in just a second. Woohoo! Let's concrete her in now, y'all. Yay! Let's get it wet. There we go. That's all there is to that. I will see y'all in about 4 or 5 hours when that is dry. Oh, y'all. Figured I'd show you a shot of the roof right quick. It is all papered on, and I am keeping my eyes out for uh, busted open shingles, busted open squares to put on there. I don't care if it matches or not, but it is at least watertight at the moment. So I'm gonna get started on this here front wall. Well, here it is all finished up, y'all. All I got left to do is get a latch for the door here. But, well, I ain't got to show nobody how to screw on a latch. Left the vents up there for right now until it gets cold. Then I'll seal them up right there and right there. But anyways, here it is, all finished up, y'all. Well, with the exception of me finding some cheap shingles going there too, but it is at least ready to go and pretty much done. So there is the tool shed, y'all. Well, reckon that's gonna about do it for this video, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video and little tool shed right there. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all on the next video.